Hi, I'm Angela, the co-founder of Gradana. I came back to Indonesia in 2005 and started my career in property industry with extensive experience in business development. I have worked for three big names such as Salim, Sampurna, and Sinarmas, coincidentally all starting with S. Through my daily work, I came to realize that, ironically, even though property is a primary need, a lot of people still can't afford it, especially the millennials. The property price is not at par with what people earn. If you want to buy, you need to come up with a down payment before going through the mortgage. Or if you want to lease, in Indonesia, you have to pay the rent 1 year at least in advance. Gradana was available to the market in mid-2017. We make property more affordable by allowing people to install monthly and investable. It becomes less speculative as the buyer or the tenants are already there. It provides a more guaranteed ROI, and it becomes more affordable to invest in property through our crowdfunding mechanism. Through GayK Plug and Play, we have made contact and initiate collaboration with strategic partners. Using the know-how that I have over the years working in the property industry, instead of just trying to sell or develop properties, it's a personal calling on how Gradana can help people to afford their dream house or property. Gradana, we make property more affordable and investable.